Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you EVS. I hope you must have watched the previous videos and today we are going to revise worksheets. Let's see. Worksheet of chapter number 2 and 3. Question number first. Choose the correct option. Number 1. The brain looks like the dash. Option A walnut, option B heart. Brain looks like a walnut. So, option number A walnut is the correct answer. Number 2. Where does the heart lie in your chest? Option number A right hand side, option number B left hand side. Where does your heart lie? It lies on the left hand side. So, option number B is the correct answer. Question 3. Rabbit has long dash. Ears, nose. Rabbit has long nose or ears? Rabbit has long ears. So, option number A ears is the correct answer. Fourth. Elephant has a long dash. A nose, B tongue. Elephant has long tongue? No, elephant has long nose. Option number A nose is the correct answer. Fifth, our tongue has tiny bumps called dash. A brush, B taste buds. You can see small tiny bumps on your tongue now. What is it called? What are they called? They are called taste buds. So, option number B is the correct answer. Number 6, we can write with our dash. Legs, hands. How we write? We write with our hands. So, option number B hands is the correct answer. Let's see question number 2 now. Match the following. One hands, two legs, mouth, big eyes, sweet to smell, soft to touch. Tongue to lick, taste, hands to catch, feather, skipping, bee and rose. Number 1 hands. Hands help us to catch. So, option number B is the correct answer. Legs. With the help of legs what we do? We do skipping. So, number D is the correct answer. Mouth. With the help of mouth we taste, we lick. So, option number A is the correct answer. Big eyes. Which animal has big eyes? Bee. You can see here now. Bee has big eyes. Bees have big eyes. Sweet to smell. Sweet to smell, rose. When you smell rose, you feel so happy, na? You feel so good. So, option number F is the correct answer. Soft to touch. Option number C, feather. Children, when you touch feather, you feel so soft, na? With the help of how you feel, how you can tell it is soft? With the help of your skin. So, option number C is the correct answer. Now, after revising worksheet of chapter number 2 and 3, now we will revise worksheet of chapter number 5 and 6. Let's see. Question number first. Choose the correct option. I brush my teeth and bath in a dash. We have different rooms in our house now. Option A bathroom, option B bedroom. We have bedroom, kitchen, drawing room, dining room. In which room we brush our teeth and take bath? In bathroom. So, option number A bathroom is the correct answer. A dash is a small house in a tall building. Option A flat, option B tent. Children, we have different types of houses and every house is made from different material. So, which house is a small in a tall building? Option number A flat. So, A flat is the correct answer. Number 3. The fan hangs down from the dash. A wall, B ceiling. Fan hangs down from the ceiling. So, option number B ceiling is the correct answer. Fourth, the dash cares for the school garden. A gardener, B peon. Children, there are so many people who care for you and who help you. Who cares for our school garden? Option number A gardener. Gardener cares for our school garden. Now, question number 2. Match the following. First, caravan, bedroom, houseboat, drawing room, ayah, sweeper, school bag. Rest and sleep, moving house, carries books and notebooks, made of wood, cleans the compound, looks after the small children and talk to guests. Number 1, caravan. Now there are different types of houses, I told you. So caravan is one of the type of house. It is a moving house. So option number B is the correct answer. Bedroom. Okay, what we do in bedroom? We take rest or sleep. So option A is the correct answer. 3, houseboat. Now houseboat is made of? It is made of wood. So option number D, made of wood, is the correct answer. Drawing room. What we do in drawing room? We attend our guests in the drawing room. So talk to guests. Option number G is the correct answer. Aya looks after the small children. Option number F is the correct answer. Sweeper. Who cleans the school compound? So option number E, cleans the school compound, is the correct answer. School bag. Okay, what we carry in our school bag? We carry books, notebook and different items in our school bag. So option number C, carries books and notebooks, is the correct answer. Now let's see question number 3. Answer in one word. First, which type of houses are made of bricks, iron and cement? Which type of houses are made of these things? Answer is bungalow. Bungalow is a very big house with many rooms made of bricks, iron and cement. Spelling of bungalow is B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. Number 2, where do your parents cook food? We have different rooms in our house now. One is kitchen, in which our parents do what? In which our parents cook food. So answer is K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Now question number 4, state true or false. Number first, I eat my food in bedroom. Do you eat your food in bedroom? What we do in bedroom? We rest or sleep. Where we eat our food? In dining room. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. A houseboat is made of metal. Is houseboat made of metal, children? No. Houseboat is made of wood. So this statement is also false. We will write F over here. Number 3. There are many people who help us in school. I told you na, there are so many people who love you, who care for you and who help you in your school. So this statement is true. We write true, T over here. Number 4. The peon drives us to school. Children, when you come by bus or van, peon drives you to school? No. Who drives you to school? That person is called driver. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. A tent is made of bricks and cement. Tent is made of bricks and cement? No. It is a moving house. It is made of canvas cloth. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. Now children, after revising chapter number 5 and 6, now we will revise worksheet of chapter number 7. Question number first. Match the following. First, junk food, dinner, lunch. Afternoon meal makes you fat, evening meal. Junk food. Children, you know junk food is very unhealthy. By eating junk food, we become lazy and we become fat. So option number B, makes you fat, is the correct answer. Dinner. Dinner is an evening meal or afternoon meal? Dinner is an evening meal, means late evening or night. So option number C, evening meal, is the correct answer. Lunch. Now lunch is your afternoon meal. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 2, state true or false. First, children should drink milk 2 times every day. I told you now you should drink at least 2 times in a day, milk 2 times in a day. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Number 2, dinner is called supper in some countries. Yes, I told you na, dinner in some countries we call dinner as supper. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Number 3, we get meat, eggs and milk from plants. Okay, we get food from two sources, plant and animals. Plants give us fruits, vegetable, pulses, cereals, but here it is written we get meat, eggs and milk from plants. So this statement is false. These are not plant products, these are animal products. So we will write F over here. Number 4, junk food can make holes in your teeth. Yes, if you will eat so much of junk food, it can make holes in your teeth. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Now children, we will revise worksheet of chapter number 10 and 11. Let's see. Question first, choose the correct option. First, who flies an aeroplane? Option A, a pilot. Option B, a driver. Who flies an aeroplane, children? Option number A, a pilot. Number 2, do not dash in deep water alone. What we should not do in deep water alone? We should not swim or we should not see. We should not swim in deep water alone because it is risky. Number 3, an aeroplane takes off and lands at an dash. Railway station, airport. Option number B is the correct answer, airport. Number 4, we should walk on the dash, road or footpath. Where we should walk? We should walk on the footpath. What is footpath? Footpath is the path on the side of the road. So option number B, footpath is the correct answer. 5th, and dash helps us to travel fast. A car, B aeroplane. Where we can cover long distances in short period of time? With the help of car or with the help of aeroplane? With the help of aeroplane. So option number B, aeroplane is the correct answer. 6th, wear a seat belt in a dash. Car, bicycle. Where we should wear seat belt? We should wear seat belt in a car. Option number A, car is the correct answer. 7th, we should wear dash in a boat. A helmet, B life jacket. What we should wear in a boat? We should wear life jacket because it helps you from drowning. Now question number 2, matchups. Red light, green light, we cross the road, ship. Sailor on the zebra crossing, go, stop. First red light. Red light says stop. So option number D is the correct answer. Green light. Green light says go. So option number C is the correct answer. We cross the road. We cross the road on the zebra crossing. So option number B is the correct answer. Number 4, ship. Who sails a ship? Sailor. So option number A, sailor is the correct answer. Question number 3, state T for true and F for false. First, do not eat any medicine on your own. Children, when your parents give you medicine, then only you should eat medicine, otherwise you should not eat medicine on your own. So this statement is T, true. Do not hide inside the cupboard when you play. Children, when you play in home, you should not hide inside the cupboard because if your cupboard will be locked, you may not be safe. You will not be able to breathe. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Number 3, you should play in the garden after it is dark. Is it correct? You should play in the garden after it is dark? No, you should come home before it is dark. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. Children, now I hope you must revise worksheets with me very properly and enjoyed it too. Keep learning. Thank you.